So you're asking me to.
Look at the dishes wash.
Oh, okay.
See?
We improvise. So my husband is improvising our temporary kitchen. Look at this. Backyard kitchen sink. Because
Kitchen sink.
we don't have a kitchen sink upstairs. It's I who who built that? Not a friend. Muy grabe. Muy inteligente. Listos. Ándale, mira.
Dijo, no,
Los
dijo,
trastes. Hoy.
lavatrastes right now.
Wow.
You got this washer on
We have
the
this one. Not smart. Unbelievable. Look at this. That's how you do it. This is how Mexican
Mexican kitchen sink.
brain. Instead of just throwing that used kitchen sink, we are using it outside. Wow, that is so intelligent. Very nice. Mm. So it's cerveza time. What's that? Uh, Pacifico. Mira. Oh, it's Don Efren's birthday very soon. So we're celebrating it early.
Yeah, celebrate early. It's good.
Yeah. They drink. I don't. But I'm gonna make a smoothie for Don Guillermo. Yeah. Would you like some? Wow, look at this. Double thing. Es muy inteligente. So my love, um, so this is temporary that my husband is washing the dishes, but I will wash it. Just to show you, to demonstrate to you guys how we do it outside right now. Wow. Temporary.
No have no kitchen inside. And why don't clean
Mira, los
the
trastes
los trastes afuera?
afuera. Yo continuar. Por favor, mi corazón. He doesn't want.